In this video, we want to evaluate the following limit. Limit as x approaches 0 of sine of 3x over 5x to the fourth plus 3x. If I plug in x equals 0, I just end up getting 0 over 0. So we can, this is an indeterminate form, so we can either use L'Hopital's rule or use clever algebraic manipulation. Let's look at algebraic manipulation. So in the denominator, we can get a factor of x from 5x to the fourth plus 3x to get x times 5x cubed plus 3. And then I can factor out, I can break this up into two separate fractions. So first, I can say sine of 3x over x times 1 over 5x cubed plus 3. And I'm going to get this to be down here, but that means I have to multiply by 3 so it can cancel. So that's how I get to this expression down here. And now I could just use a product property of a limit. So I can just break it up into three separate limits. Obviously, actually two. The 3 is a constant, so it comes outside. And I can evaluate the limit as x approaches 0 of sine 3x over 3x, because that's just going to be 1. And if you want, you can let y equal 3x as x approaches 0, y also approaches 0. So this will be limit y approaches 0 sine y over y. So that's just going to be 1. So that's why we wanted to get 3x on the top and the bottom. These have to match in order for the limit to be 1. And then we just plug in x equals 0 here to get 1/3. So we have 3 times 1 times 1/3, and we get 1 as our final answer.